Hello, welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert Channel. Today's topic is care of family clothing and methods of storage of family clothing. This is JS2 Home Economics first term. By the end of this lesson, the students will be able to define clothing. We'll be able to state general guidelines for proper storage and care of clothes. The students should be able to state methods of storing family clothes. Let's write down. Clothing. What is clothing? Clothing is any article we place on the body in order to protect, beautify, or adorn it. Clothing includes dresses, shoes, hats, jewelry, and so on. Family clothing is very important because it can promote or impair the health of family members. Dirty clothes can harbor germs, which can cause skin infection. Therefore, it is important that we manage family clothing properly through good care and storage in order to keep them in good condition. Methods of storing family clothes or general guidelines for proper storage and care of family clothing. Number 1, provide a good storage space for your clothes. Example, a good closet or wardrobe, a box or drawer. 2, use good quality hangers. 3, do not store dirty clothes. Wash them. Dirty clothes attract germs, so do not store dirty clothes. It's a no-no. Number 4, air clothes after wear before putting them away. Let me explain this. If you finish wearing a cloth, I know you have sweated on it, and you want to keep it in the laundry box. First, allow air it before putting it in the laundry box so that it will not stay there and be stinking because of the too much sweat that have landed on the armpit of the clothes. Okay, number 5, remove all brushes or pins from clothes before storage. Number 6, do not store damp clothes or do not store clothes in a damp place. You know the meaning, a place that is wet, don't store your clothes there. And don't store wet clothes. If the clothes did not dry well, please don't store it. You have to make sure it dries well before you can store to avoid smell and growth of some bacteria. Number 7, mothballs or comfort balls can be placed in the wardrobe or storage boxes or drawers to avoid some insects entering your clothes. Number 8, keep the wardrobe tidy always by storing clothes neatly. Number 9, clean wardrobe regularly. Number 10, wash your underwears and socks daily. Number 11, remove spots or stains from clothes as soon as they occur. The next one, mend clothes as quickly as possible. As quickly as possible. This prevents more damage to the articles. The next one, take extra time to put garments where they belong when you remove them. Even after drying your clothes, make sure you keep them where they belong. Don't scatter them everywhere because you have washed and you think scattering them will make them to stay well. You are the one to arrange your clothes properly. Keep them where they're supposed to be. Then, methods of storing family clothes. Family clothes can be stored in any of the following ways. Number 1, storage in boxes or bags. This method protects clothes from insects, dust, light, and air that is either too humid or too dry. Number 2, storage in closets or wardrobe with hangers. Hanging clothes in the closet or wardrobe prevents them from getting creased or rumpled. This is best way to store certain clothes like coats, suits, and jackets. Number 3, storage of clothes in drawers and shelves. Certain clothes are best stored in the drawer. Example, heavy woven sweaters. Number 4, storage of accessories. So, accessories like shoes. Do not leave your shoes carelessly on the floor to gather dust and become more difficult to clean. Do the following to your shoes. Clean your shoes after use. Stuff them with clean pieces of clothes or paper to maintain their shapes. Repair your shoes as soon as there is a tear before storage. Arrange your shoes on a shoe rack or shelf. The next one, jewelry, such as earrings and necklaces, are important items of clothing. They can be stored in a small padded box with a good container. In a good container, the container should be lined properly with soft clothes or cotton wool. The next one to store, socks and gloves. These should be stored folded flat in pairs in plastic bags or corner of the closet. Ensure that they are clean and dry before storage. Ensure that your socks and gloves are clean and dry before you store them. Then the last one, hats. Keep hats from dust. Do not allow them to crush in storage. Stuff the crown with clean paper to keep the shape. Now, this is your assignment. Very simple. Define clothing. Number 1, define clothing. Number 2, state 3 guidelines for proper storage and care of clothes. See you in the next class. JS2.